yourself happy. Smiley face.
So this is our website. Have you ever visited our website before?
Nope.
A lot of great useful tools on here. I really like what we've done. So you see the tab that says information here?
Yeah.
So I pull that down. I'd like to go to the first option, which is the NEM and PG&E tariffs. So when I click on that, it has a lot of good information. We're going to click on this middle one that says count the rate increases, and there's a link here. What that does, that actually brings us to PG&E's rate sheet for just electricity, so no gas. And you're going to see that there is a link for every single time PG&E makes a change to their rate sheet. They put one of these hyperlinks on here to bring you to the current rate sheet. You can see we're in the 7th month of the year, and there's been a change to the rate sheet 5 of the first 7 months. A few of those might be rate increases, just so you know. In fact, they really are.
Make yourself happy.